Hi, hello, and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Guys, today we are going to make a mini lava cake. And guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon. The first thing, guys, take 1 cup of flour, put it into a bowl, and add your cocoa powder into it. And then, guys, you can add your powdered sugar. Now sugar can be also blended, guys, in your small blender. You can blend it up and add, or if you have powdered sugar, you can add that, and also the baking powder. And then, guys, baking soda. Now baking soda is not a must, guys, when you add baking powder, but there is no problem. If you want, you can add it, or you can skip it out, that is not a problem. And your vanilla essence and the required amount of salt. And then, guys, you mix up entire ingredients together. Mix it very well. All your dry ingredients should be well mixed, just like this. And then at this time you add your cup of milk, fresh milk. And also your oil. And then, guys, mix it up very well until you get a entire dissolved liquid, a chocolate liquid, just like this, guys. And this must be the thickness. Until that, keep on mixing for 5 minutes time, and then take your cookie pan and apply some oil to it. And then, guys, you add your chocolate mixture to the cookie pan, and please do remember, over here we are adding only half of the mixture to the cookie pan, not the entire. I am not fulfilling the cookie pan, guys, only half. I am only adding half. Just like this. I just add half of your mixture to it, and then you can add your chocolate. Now either I have taken a thick chocolate and cut it, or you can just grate the chocolate and make balls from it and add it in the middle. Now, guys, if your pan, I mean your cookie pan, is thick enough, you can just pour the mixture on the top also and cover it up, fulfill the entire cookie pan. Or else you can just bake for about, you can cook for about a minute, and then open it up, add your chocolate and the mixture, and for another 5 minutes time, so that it will be entirely cooked. Or if your pan is thick enough, guys, you can follow this method. As I told you, guys, if your pan is not thick enough, first you bake the half of the mixture that you have added for about, not actually bake, we are going to keep this in the stove in low flame, and it must be closed, guys. If your pan is thin, you keep in low flame for a minute, and then take it out, add your chocolate pieces, and then the mixture on the top. If it is thick enough, you just do it in one shot, just like this. Now it is ready, guys. You do not have to flip it over. This is more than enough. This is fine. You can just take it out and keep it for rest until it cools down, and you can serve it. Now my chocolate mini lava cake is ready, guys. Now you can see. Now this is because of the chocolate that we added in the middle. It is oozing out after it is getting melted, and that is beautiful. There you see, guys, the mini chocolate lava cake is ready, and it is ready to serve. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in another video.